Morning, everybody. So I want to highlight a few charts before the market opens up this morning. So I'll dig right into it. First one I've highlighted before. Symbol is VNRX. It closed at $2.05 yesterday. I like this for multiple reasons. One, I think it's a good company from what I can see, but chart-wise, this has been driven down severely by shorts. You look on the short report, it's 60–70% sometimes of the volume is short volume. For whatever reason, they've latched on to this. But in the markets, as we know, once the shorts get taken, kicked to the curb, and this starts rebounding, they have to start covering. It can make strong moves. And in this case, there's a lot of space between the bottom where it closed at 205 to the 20-day moving average at $2.73, and that's once it gets rolling, that can be tested pretty quickly. It tested it, I think last week, nearly. I think it got pretty close to it, but pulled back some. But it's a strong bounce back play in my opinion, and so I put this one on my radar again today because it seemed like the shorts ran out of gas right about $2 a share. It seemed like that's pretty much where they're done with it. So I'm looking for a nice bounce back. So. The next one I want to highlight is BTBT, closed at $2.15 a share. Looks to test the 200-day moving average at 239. If it pops it, it's got a lot of breathing room to go. So keep an eye on that one. Next one is SIDU, 374. It closed yesterday. Had been trading real tight between the 50-day and the 20-day moving average. When I say that, it's basically test one, goes up, tests the other one, pulls back and whatnot. Yesterday it broke above the 20, which is an extremely bullish move in my opinion. Look for it to pull back, maybe test the 20. If it holds, it can have a nice strong bounce from there. So keep that one on your radar. Another one that I like, I've highlighted in the past, it's HIVE, $3.01 at close yesterday. Tested the 200-day moving average at 311. A break above this, and I think it could really shake loose. It's been trading pretty well lately. So the last time it rolled the 20-day moving average like it has been, it ran up to around 7. Not saying by any stretch of imagination it's going to pop right up to 7. I'm not saying that, but last time it started riding the 20-day like this, and broke above the 200, it went for a nice run. So definitely have that on your radar. Next one is LXRX, 231 at close yesterday. Strong breakout. It tested 247 yesterday and pulled back a little bit. I think if it breaks 250, it can have a nice strong continuation. I think 3 could come up quick. I'm not saying it will, obviously, but has potential. And the last one I want to highlight is XGN. 398 it closed yesterday. Had a strong move and now has $5 resistance in its sights. Meaning once it gets up there was a lot of trading for a bit in the $5 range. You're going to have people probably trying to exit there. You're going to have buyers trying to buy in there. So it can get a little crazy there. But if it breaks above it, it has potential to keep on moving. So that's it for now. If you like the videos, check some of the past. I've had some nice runners of late. So subscribe, like, comment. I love comments. So anyways, have a good trading day, everyone, and I'll see you soon.